Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious creamy mushroom mussels and fries. Love this dish. It reminds me of my childhood. I would go spend summers with my grandmother and we would go eat moule frites, as they would say in France, by the Eiffel Tower, and I love it. I created a creamy version with some truffle oil, some really thin fries so it soaks up the sauce, and it is so good. Literally ready in like under 20 minutes. So you've got to do it. Perfect for the weeknights, perfect as an appetizer. It'll blow your guests away. Enjoy. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thank you. We're using 2 Yukon Gold potatoes. I'm using a mandolin to make sure they are all the same thickness. I'm making these about 1/2 inch thick to make sure they are more like chips. I love it when it's extra crispy, so it really soaks up that sauce. Arrange them in stacks to prep for slicing. Cut them about 1/2 inch wide. Make sure to pat them dry so they come out extra crispy. Spray with some avocado oil and add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of your onion salt blend, and a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Give it a good shake and air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I'm using 1 medium-sized shallot. Start by chopping your shallot in half. Then make horizontal slits and then vertical slits along the shallot. This makes it super easy to dice. For our sauce, let's start with a tablespoon of truffle oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and oh, hey friend, I just wanted to tell you that I love you so much. Sorry about that, guys. Add in your shallots. 4 cubes of garlic. I'm using the cubed garlic from Trader Joe's. And simmer until the shallots are translucent and aromatic. Add in 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1/4 cup of a dry white wine, and 2 cups of your white mushrooms. Let them simmer for about 5 minutes or until tender. Add in your 1 pound of mussels. I'm extra, so I seasoned them with an additional 2 cloves of garlic, but totally optional. Cook your mussels for about 8 to 10 minutes. They should be fully open. Make sure to toss any that have not fully opened. Top off with 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Plate your mussels into a bowl and just bask in that amazing, delicious smell. Top off with your crispy fries and a little truffle oil. Yes, I'm eating it with a spoon like soup because I like to scoop up my fries and the sauce and get mushrooms in there as well. That is so good. You gotta get your mussel and then you gotta like soak it up. Yes, I totally slurped, which is such a hypocrite of me because I constantly yell at my friends and family for drinking loud and slurping. It's called misophonia. It's a real disorder. Look it up. But I think with this dish, you're allowed to slurp. So enjoy and slurp away.